it wouldn't be complete, would it, really, if we didn't have a cake?
No.
Okay.
OK, so we've had something made specially for you.
I actually
Here it
know
is.
Billy, because I'm such a...
Yeah.
Come on, Steph.
Drum roll.
Come on,
Look
Steph.
at this view.
So, thank you. Well, that looks just lovely.
And
Thank you.
we'll let you. I don't think we'll let you take it home because obviously we'll eat that. Thank you so much. We have loved, absolutely loved presenting with you, being here with you. It's been an absolute honour, Bill. That is all we have time for this morning. The team are going to come in, at least some of them, and there is only one person who can have the final word. Welcome, everybody. In you get.
Well, I've always believed it's a privilege to broadcast anywhere on the airwaves. To present this programme, though, it's been a special honour. I've had a wonderful time with my friends and colleagues here, stop it, behave, who've had a lot to put up with over the years. Above all, though, thank you for letting me into your home in the morning, whether it's in the kitchen or the living room or, as I'm often told, the bedroom. And whether you've been with us for the past 15 years or just this morning, I hope you found it worthwhile. It certainly has been for me. Breakfast back, as usual, tomorrow from 6. Till then, have a great day. Bye-bye. Group hug, group hug.